Hey there! If you're a student trying to stay on top of assignments, grades, and your GPA all at once, this is going to make school a lot less stressful. This is the Student Assignment Tracker and GPA Planner, and it keeps your entire semester organized in one place. Let me show you how it works. We open on the Start Here tab a quick guide to setting things up so you can start using it today. The Settings tab is where you enter your grade, scale, and preferences, so every calculation matches how your school grades. The Classes tab is where you list your courses once with their credit hours, and that information flows into the rest of the workbook. The weekly schedule lays out your class times in a clean weekly view, so you always know where you need to be. The Assignments tab is your master list of everything due with dates and status, so nothing slips through the cracks. The Grades tab is where you enter your scores, and it calculates your grade in each class automatically as you go. The GPA calculator is the one you'll love. It takes your grades and credit hours and computes your GPA for you, so you always know exactly where you stand. Exams and Study helps you plan for your tests, when they are, and what to review, so you're never cramming at the last minute. The Study log tracks the hours you put in, so you can see your effort and build a real study habit. And the dashboard pulls everything together, your GPA, what's due soon, and how each class is going, in one view. That's the whole planner. Your grades, assignments, and GPA all organized in one file that works in both Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. If that sounds like a calmer semester, the link is in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck this term.